Alright, so you finally got around to creating some gigs on Fiverr and you're looking to get some work. However, in the beginning it can be quite difficult and quite challenging to get gigs. There's a lot of people on this platform, but as a freelance platform, there's a lot of opportunity. One of the things that I like to point out that I didn't know in the very beginning was once you've created some of your gigs, you may be curious about people looking for gigs, something specific that may be in your wheelhouse that maybe you can work with. So if you want to find out the people that are actually looking to pay for gigs, all you got to do is switch here. This is now to the now you're on your page where you're selling. You can see your gigs and all those kinds of things. But if you click more, you're going to see buyer request. And you may know this already, but even if you don't, this is good to know because, and one of these offers just went away here, but you'll see every day it could change, okay? It'll give you the active offers. You read them, you can see, how many people have made offers to them already, what kind of time frame are they looking at, and what are they looking to spend, okay? So that's important to note. Now, if you're having trouble not just finding gigs, but just trying to find people that are interested in your offer, you may want to change some things around on the back end. In other words, once you've created your gig, you may want to change some words here and there. And just by changing some words, you may be able to help out the algorithm of using Fiverr. Now, if you're having more problems as far as trying to figure out what to do or what kind of ideas to come up with, there's plenty of things to come up with, and my suggestion is just go right to the buying part if you were a buyer and start looking at all these different categories here and start figuring out what do you know about well, and then branch off of that. So in other words, if I'm getting into graphic design, what specifically do I want to do? Maybe logos, right? But what makes my logos different? So you want to make sure that your portfolio looks good. You want to make sure that somebody has access to something if they want to see what you've done in the past. So hopefully that helps you guys out when it comes to looking to find where the buyer's gig section is. If you need more help in finding out how to create more gigs for yourself in revenue and creating some sort of profitable income with this, please check the description box and you'll find out more information as to an ebook that I'm promoting right now that you can get that will help you out in this line of work. Thanks for watching, guys. See you real soon.